morning, folks. Welcome to another vlog. It's a sunny but wet morning out here in Brisbane. We're heading out to the track. We've got the kiddies ready, but our friend Gerg and Danielle's going to stay back with the kids for a little bit this morning to give me a chance to get everything going at the track nicely. But we are heading down to Archfield Drift Park for a huge 10-hour drift session. It's a 10-hour drift session today, so hopefully I see heaps of you guys out there. But definitely going to send some laps in the Z today. Really want to work on a few things. I've been getting a little bit too keen on transitions lately. So I want to get those dialed back in as far as my driving goes. And other than that, just want to have a really good day. I'm really excited to just tandem with friends. So see you in a little bit. Good old track duty cars getting a drink. We had to dodgily replace a water line in that car, so Chi-Chi boy over there, still not wearing a shirt. He's got his vest on though. A couple of people commented asking, does that bloke ever wear a shirt? The short answer to that is pretty much no. He's a 52-year-old man that's fitter than, yeah, anyone I know actually, to be honest. We had to adjust the lights one time here at the track and he literally just climbed straight up the pole. It's insane, so. Alright, so we have something really cool today. We have Regan here, a friend of mine with his Subaru Liberty wagon drift car. So we're going to definitely take a look at that car today because it's really, really interesting, and hopefully let me have a drive as well because I really wanted to have a go. He's just revised the steering setup. But essentially he's running S14 steering setup from GK Tech with the LCAs on backwards, or I don't know, he's done some sort of wizardry, but the car ended up with a bunch of lock, and it is the turbo boxer motor. I really don't know anything about Subaru, so I'll definitely get him to tell us all about it. But let's go take a look at that car, because it's sick. Tell me about your Subaru.
It's a Subaru. It's a Subaru?
I don't know, what about it? I was trying to explain the steering.
It's got an S14 GK Tech front super lock kit, but it's reversed. So opposite sides because the caster arms run the other way. It's now got electronic steering column from an FT86. It's got a R33 It's got an R33 R200 in the back with dual caliper setup. Custom everything.
An engine?
NA 2.2 bottom end, turbo top end, TD05, E85 and a
How much power?
150 kilowatt on 10 pounds.
Plenty. Subaru junk in the engine bay. There's a turbo there. I don't know anything about Subarus at all, but I know it works. Hope you guys are loving this footage. I've got like a weird pole set up. What are you doing, sausage?
We're modifying the bash bar.
Modifying.
Yeah, not bad, good size.
You blew a bit of a hole there.
Yeah, I still got to fill that. I had to cool down and it kept getting bigger.
Well, at least something on you keeps getting bigger.
Yeah, well.
Other than
That's going to start getting smaller.
yeah.
Maybe. Probably not.
Oh. So Princey's on the same diet stuff as me now, so he's going to start losing some weight as well. He's the pressure was on.
Oh. Now I'm under pressure.
Another day at the track. Got all the boys coming out now. Got Princey, aka Sausage. Yeah, Sausage is coming out. Yeah, Sausage. And then we got Chops coming out as well in the 180. We got the 350 ready to go. Russ is ready to go. And this Supra is ready to jam with us as well. He's keeper tires. Let's go send it. You could have easily held hands with her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wasn't looking. Your fucking nose is ridiculously close.
I got scared.
Alright, this is hot already.
I must have just been coming back to grab some more log, and then fucking, and it just ripped it out from there.
Yeah, Baba! Oh, car. Yeah, I just drove straight in the back of you. You obviously felt it. It's not even, I don't even think there's a scratch on your car. start this session. I don't want it to start. But my left tire's gone. It's funny. I know it's gone, but I don't want to stop at all. We can get a few more laps out of it. Yeah, nice, man. think I psyched him out on that one.
Oh, fuck.
You had to hit that subscribe button. We'll be back again, maybe not tomorrow, it might be the next day, because I think I'm just gonna chill. Today was literally wild as hell. So we will see you guys, not tomorrow, the day after, back with another cracking vlog. And thank you so much guys for watching. Appreciate it. Speak to you next time. Bye. Tire's very gone. The tire came off. Oh no, I was on the rim on my track. Whoops.
That's what it's like.
Whoops. Ah. Yeah, that would be my tire there, my new rim.
Wait, it came off before you started doing it.
Whoops.
Wait, your quarter panel's hanging off.
Whoops. Ah.
That seems to be not attached.
We'll put it back. Huh? Oh, is it off?
No, it's only being held on in one corner.
Oh.
Yeah, look at your groove.
Alright, I'll have a look.